What's going on, you guys? Today I will be doing a unboxing and installation video of a shark grill on a 2011 Jeep Wrangler JK by American Modified. So here's the box that it comes in. A little damaged, but hopefully the grill isn't messed up. Comes with some weather stripping and 3M tape. Here's the grill itself. Comes with these extra tabs that go in the top right here. They go into the Jeep itself. An instruction guide. And some of these metal clips that also go in the bottom of the Jeep right here. So now to begin the installation, it should take about 10 to 30 minutes at most, depending on if you've done this before or not. But to start off, you need to pull these tabs. There's a total of 6 tabs, and then you'll pull at the bottom right here to get it loose from the Jeep itself. Now, to get those tabs off, I use a flathead screwdriver. It makes it real easy. Now, if you have a grill insert like I do, go ahead and lift up on the grill itself and pull the insert out. Now with the insert out, you'll begin here at the corner and pop it loose. Go to the other side, do the same thing. And now in the middle. Now under here will be your turn signal lights. Just go ahead and pop this little red piece out, twist it, and the light comes out. Do the same thing for the other side. Now to finish this installation, you need to get these pieces right here and begin to insert them in these spots. They just slide right down. I also forgot to mention, when you take your old grill off, you need to also take out the turn signals. And by doing that, there's two little clips here and here. They push in, and you just push down, and the cover pops off. Also, that weather stripping, you just pull the bottom of the 3M tape, line it up as straight as possible, and put it on. Now, we're going to put the grill on the Jeep. And by doing that, you take these clips and your grill. And the easiest way to put this on is to first put the light bulbs from your turn signals back in there. They just pop in and twist. Now, the easiest way I've found to put any new grill on is to judge the middle. There's a long piece sticking out that goes into the Jeep itself. Once that piece is in, you can push the rest of it in. There we go. Then from there, you take these pieces and put them at the top, and that'll secure it to the Jeep as well. All right, folks, and that's how you install the Shark Grill. If you have any questions or concerns, just leave comments and I'll respond as soon as I can. Thanks everybody for watching. Like and subscribe.